Hello there, meteorologist Mike Griffith for East Coast Weather Association. It is late Saturday night, actually early Sunday morning. It's 1:28 a.m. here on the East Coast, March 26th, 2017. Looking at a storm system out here in the Midwest moving eastward, spreading a lot of rain, heavy at times, even a couple rumbles of thunder. Nothing really so much in the way of severe weather here ahead of the front. It is going to be unsettled. There is going to be some claps of thunder overnight tonight into Sunday. This all pushes east. It's going to start raining here across the Carolinas as we get into the day Sunday. Could be some flight delays here out of Charlotte, especially after 2 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. I'm thinking it's going to happen before then. Not really thinking that the rain is going to push through later Sunday, as a lot of local TV stations are saying here. It's going to be more earlier in the day, early afternoon Sunday, and this storm pushes east, and it's going to spread a lot of rain eastward. Right now, looking at the live radar loop here across the south, Tennessee down through the Florida Panhandle, lots of moisture streaming up ahead of this cold front. Not a lot of severe weather, nothing really going on in the way of anything really major. All this rain pushes east and heavy at times. Sunday looking just like a rain event right now. Nothing really that drastic going to happen there as we head into the day Sunday that pushes eastward. Monday as well, looking like a wet day across New York City, Philly, D.C., down into the Appalachian Mountains here. Thunderstorms down into Atlanta. And then as we go into Monday, still pretty much more of the same deal. Charleston, Myrtle Beach, into Wilmington, some thunderstorm activity possible as we kick off the work week here. And then heading into Monday evening, once again, another system moves across the plain states and Midwest and brings more showers and thunderstorms. Some of these could be severe as we head into the eastern coast. The Carolinas looking like some winter weather here in Denver and Idaho is going to be possible. Very unsettled. The jet stream is just going to remain quite active as we go into the month of April. Kind of wanted to show you something here. This is going to be April and 10th, and it's going to be looking cold here in the East Coast. So it's looking like you might want to keep your plants and stuff inside because it's going to be continued cold as we go into the day on the 10th of April here, which is a Monday. Looking very unsettled. This is the total amount of rain we can expect to see from the 26th, which is Sunday, through the 31st of March, which is next week. Total amounts of rains. You're going to see lots of reports of flooding out there in Oklahoma, lots of severe weather out there as well. They're going to be having a much unsettled week coming up here out here in Oklahoma, and even down into Louisiana, I should say, not New Orleans, but the northern tip of Louisiana. Anywhere west of the Appalachians, heaviest rainfall is expected to fall. Again, that is through the 31st of March. And here we're looking through April 2nd. Very wet here across much of the United States, especially from Kansas into the deep south, but also the Carolinas and into Virginia, even up into Philly in the northeast. Very unsettled. Everywhere is looking very unsettled and rainy and cool except for Florida. Miami might be the only place to escape all the dreary weather here that we're going to be expecting across the eastern part of the United States. Stay tuned for some severe weather and some fronts moving through that has severe weather ahead of them. Anytime a cold front moves through, which will be frequently, there could be the possibility of severe weather ahead of them. So watch out for severe weather in the meantime. Otherwise, expect a cool, cloudy, and active pattern through the beginning of April. I'm meteorologist Mike Griffith for East Coast Weather Association, wishing you well and have a great time, everybody. And don't forget the umbrella.